Hi, in this lesson, we will see about what is the format for add extensions. Okay, so in the previous lesson, we have seen about how we can get the format for RSA, right? So go for extensions now. So I'm going into editor, right? Okay, this is the editor. So again, don't feel like a bit little boring because as I am saying these things again and again. So whenever you open the Google Ads editor, first thing you have to do is get recent changes. Okay, so let's do it again. Right, this is very important. The first thing you have to do. Okay, yes, it has now downloaded. So in the previous lesson, I have told you how we can get the format, right? So let's go for it, right? And here first we see the site links. Okay, we see three extensions, and rest you can experiment. I only tell three extensions so that you will get an idea how we can do it. Okay, so first we do it for the site links. Okay, so I'm going into site links. So I'm selecting the total account. Here we have few site links. So I'm copying one of it, going here, paste it here. Okay, paste. Sorry. So copy this one, Control C and Control V. Yeah, this is the extension, right? So just make sure that the format is as it is, and you remove this all these things. Okay, you can remove all this, and here you can write your uh, add extension. So link text will be like let's say paid search, right? Paid search and learn ppc from expert, and extension description to like Google Ads and Bing Ads, right? And if you have any start date, you can keep it, and if you have any end date, you can keep it. So here we have to give one final URL. So I am giving this only. So you are getting me right. You can give your respective accounts URL, right? And all these are not needed actually. I am removing them, right? And delete. Okay. Campaign name, ad group name we have to specify. These are all not needed. If you have any thing in mind like keeping these extensions in faucet state, you can keep this status column. Otherwise, you can remove this as well. We also don't need this comment column. Okay. Now we need to specify the campaign name and ad group name. You have to map this extension. Okay. So here I am planning to give it this in this campaign only, for this campaign, and at the ad group level only. I mean at the campaign level only. Let's add this for this campaign. Okay. So here I am taking this campaign name, right? Copy, go to editor, site links, make multiple changes. My data includes columns, paste, and process. That's it. So you have successfully added your site link. So just make sure that after you make all these uploads and changes, just click on the post. That's it. It will go into the engine, right? And if you want to post this in pause state, just go here and pause it, and you can post it. Just click on post. That's it. Okay. So this is how you do the site links. Next is the callout extension. So for it, go to the callout section copy one of the site link, I mean copy one of the callout add extension, go to Excel or the Google Sheet, paste the format. So similar way, I am removing this site link, right? And I'm also removing this add, I mean this extension. Keep campaign, add group, call out text, start date, end date. That's it. All these things are not needed. Again, I am telling you, if you have any start date and end date, you can keep them and you can mention them. Just I am keeping, right? Delete. Only these three, right? So let's keep the same campaign. So the DSA campaign here, Control A, Control C, Google Sheets, paste. So what should be our call out? Okay, grab now. Grab the course now, like this. Grab, or you can say like buy now, right? Buy now. Copy this extension, go to editor, make sure that you are in the callout section, right? Here it is, callout section. Make multiple changes. My data includes, paste and process. That's it. It is easy. So this is as easy as you have seen. So you have understood, right, how to do this callout add extensions into editor. So keep it. So I am posting this in the pause state. Okay. So what happens, in the agencies, so different teams work together. Okay. So when you work and when you upload these into engine, so they should be reviewed by your top manager, right? So in that case, how you can do? So you can simply pause them and you can tell to the manager that you have uploaded your ad extensions and please review. Once your manager is approved, you can simply go ahead and enable them again. Okay. So here I am pausing them because I don't want to disturb any of the campaigns in my account. So it is just a test account that I am showing you now. So I just don't want to disturb it. That's it. And post. That's it. So you are getting me right. Next is the structured snippet. Here we have one structured snippet. So I am copying this format, copy and paste it here, right? I am removing this callout. Okay. Now how? How can we proceed? You see here also we don't need all these things. Okay. Delete. Yeah. We just need campaign, ad group, and this header. That's it. So what happens here? If you observe carefully, inside a cell, there are the values, right? Google Ads, Bing Ads, Google Ads Editor, Bing Ads Editor, right? But in reality, what happens? The client will provide like this. Okay, this is the campaign. Let's paste them here. So this is how this is what the format from editor. So when we uploading also, we have to follow the same format. But in reality, what happens? So when sometimes clients provide us some details, so that he needs only particular these values into the editor, like this he will provide. So this is a snippet value one. Okay, let's say this is snippet value, this snippet value. Okay, like this. So campaign will be, let's say this is the campaign, the same campaign that we have used. Copy and paste here. So header, let's say we are going into the service catalog. mm, yeah, structure snippet, here it is. Let's say I'm going into this service catalog. Okay, Now let's say it is pp paid search, right? And let's say it is next is the ppc, just for your understanding. Next say it is google sa 360, okay, 360, right? So this is one snippet. And the next snippet, right, next snippet same for the same campaign. The next snippet is like excel, google sheets, right? And next is like merchant center, right? These these things. And the header should be service catalog only. So when you upload into editor, you have also make sure that the length is correct. For the snippet values, what is the character limit, right? Here it is, the character limit is 25, right? I think, let's see what is the character limit. Yeah, it is 25, right? So it should be below 25 characters only. How will you check it whether it is below 25 characters or not? So let's say if you want to check the character limit of this merchant center, so in the next column, just equal to, type equal to and go for len, okay, tab, and select this cell, enter. So here the length is 15, so it is within the character limit only, okay. So now, so as everything is in the character limit and everything is looks good, we have to upload this into the editor. How will you do it, right? So this is not the format, this is the format, right? So but the client provides you like this. How will you do it? Let's say if this works or not. So I'm copying this one, going into editor, make multiple changes, my data includes, paste. You see here nothing is importing, everything is showing like not importing. If you adjust this also, you see what will happen, okay. So if you see here in the first snippet, only one value has updated, so other two values are skipped, right? You are getting my point. How will you do it in such cases? So you need to bring this format that the client has provided into this format, okay. So now how can we do it is, so I'm copying this one, just, right? We can use some formulas. So here I am using it like equal to, and I am concatenating this one, and I am using another formula, another function, that is char character 10, and again concatenate, and the second value, and again character 10, okay, and again concatenate, and the third value, and let's enter, okay. You got right. Now it is in the format of this editor format, that is there is a line break within a cell, okay. So we want the same format for this second snippet also, just control D, that's it, and paste it in the values, control C and control shift V. So it will be pasted in the values. You see here there is no formula, no more, no more formula, okay. So now what you can do, you can simply copy this here and copy this here and paste. So this is how you have to manage with the bulk uploads. You need to figure it out, okay. Structure snippet, make multiple changes, my data includes, paste, process, finish, keep. Now you see here, this is the one. You see here all three values are updated. Now you are getting my point, right? How you have to do, okay. Okay, so in the Google Sheets we have seen how to do this concatenate and make it into an editor format. When you do it from Excel, so uh, the same formula will be used, but you might get confused uh, by the appearance, that's it. Because in the Excel, when you use this formula, you have to also check whether it has wrap text or not. So after using this formula, you can click on wrap text, so that the same format will appear to you. Okay, so this is simple. The only thing I wanted to tell you is that in this lesson, so for every site link, it has its own format to upload. You need to figure it out. Okay, that is why I have been telling you that in order to master this Google Ads editor, the only way is to explore it. Okay, so try experimenting different things in this Google Ads editor, and try uploading those things from Excel or Google Sheets into editor. Okay, in this way you can be very proficient in Google Ads editor as well. Okay, from the next class onwards, whenever we will be discussing about the new concepts, parallelly we also will be discussing about the Google Ads editor. Okay, so suppose in the next coming classes we will be discussing about audiences, locations, demographics, all those concepts. So in those respective modules I will be telling about this Google Ads editor. Okay, parallelly, so that you will be understanding and you will be very confident about Google Ads editor as well. Okay, so I hope you have understood this lesson. We will meet in the next one.